Hello. Today we are going to talk about Google Classroom and everything that it has to offer for teachers. So right here is your main page that you'll see. You can scroll down and there will be some of your assignments. I don't have many right now because I'm just starting. So for the beginning, we'll go to settings, and that is where you can set up the name of your classroom. You can make it whatever you want. You can also put a class description. You can put a room number if you want or a subject. I just have a general, second grade classroom one. And here you will also get the code for your classroom, your Google Classroom. So there you can give it to, your students, and they can put that in there, and that's how they'll find your classroom. And it also has different options for streaming. You can click here, so the students can only comment, or only teachers can post or comment. And also for classwork on the stream, you can hide your notifications. You can show attachment and details. And when you're done setting all that up, you can go ahead up to the top and click Save. You can exit out of class settings, and then you can go back to your main page. Right here, you can also, in the center of the main page, you can click your classwork. And right here, you can also create different topics that you want to do. For instance, I already have math, vocab, and spelling. I'll add a couple more in a little while. And then under each topic, that is where you can put your different assignments that you want to be done. Right here, I just have a math review. And, I'm not going to do that one. We'll do this one. You can click on, this one's connected to Edpuzzle, which is really nice. Okay, I'm not going to log in. Okay, then after that, you can also click on your people. And these will show the teachers in the class, which that's my professor for right now. And then these are all the students that are enrolled into my classroom for right now. So back to your main page, right here you can click a different theme that you want. I just picked a basic, school looking one. You can also add a personal photo if you want to. You can also share comments with the class. If there's anything you want to let them know or any different announcements, that would be great too. So yeah, this is Google Classroom, and I really hope that, the teachers can use this some more because it's actually a great resource for classes. Thank you.